See if we can find a bit of street photography with the Fuji. Let's go. I'm in Edinburgh and I've got a bit of time to kill before shoots, so I'm gonna head over to the really historic part of Edinburgh, the Royal Mile, and see if I can do some street photography with this. Yeah, you bet you. It's the legendary Fuji X10. You all know that they're rarer than hen's teeth to find at the moment on the second-hand market. Fuji stopped making them for some unknown reason. That great lens. By my calculations, the mile should be just through here. Let's see if I've got this right. It's looking promising. Yes, that's it. Down that way there is the Parliament, down at Hollywood House. But we're going to be heading up here, see what we can find. Yeah, and what we can find is the Royal Mile. There's the cathedral up there in the middle. Look, the castle at the top is pedestrianised. There are tourists, there's lots going on, and let's do some street photography. Okay, I'm here in the middle of Edinburgh, outside the cathedral, and I've come here for a reason, and that reason is just here. See that colourful display behind me there? That's Elaine Davidson, the most pierced person in the world. You might notice that I did a short of that a few years ago now. I'm in Edinburgh. I couldn't resist coming back to see Elaine. She's such a fantastic woman, and take another picture. What do you think? Well, first things first, meeting up with Elaine again, we had to have a selfie, and then it's time to do these portraits. If you're in Edinburgh, please, she's on the mile, go visit Elaine. Oh, and at this point, if you wouldn't mind dropping a like on this video, it really helps me on my YouTube journey. Thank you so much. Hey, thanks Elaine for posing for these pictures. As I say, if you're in Edinburgh, she's on the Royal Mile, go visit her, take your camera, do make a donation and ask her for a portrait. Hey, the Fuji X10. This camera was launched in 2011. Yeah, you heard that right, 14 years ago, and it still looks beautiful, doesn't it? It's so beautiful, and so beautiful to use. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're inspired to get an X10, good luck. They're on the second-hand market, but the prices are going up because the lens is phenomenal. If you'd like to see some more pictures, some more portraits I've done with the X10, if this wasn't enough and you fancy a few more, take a look at this video here.